Hey everybody, Chris here with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop. Welcome to Coffee and Grit. I am out here in the store again today. Today we're going to be looking at a line of products. Well, if somebody said you didn't measure up, well, they were wrong because we got proof. Let me just show you. Today we are looking at the Fastcap tape measuring and all the utensils they offer. So not only do they offer a variety of different tape measures, but they offer some accessories as well, whether that be the little tool holster here that mounts right to a belt or to a clip. It's got its own clip built on the back. It's got a pencil holder on the side, a pencil sharpener here and on the other side. So this is a really cool product. If you're looking for something in the shop to hold your tape measure and your pencil, well, this will do them both. So let's take a look more closely at the variety of different tape measures that Fastcap offers. Now, this little display here happens to show most of them right on hand. Let's see if I can get you a little closer and you'll take a look. The only one that's not on display is the little bitty baby. Now, I'll show you real quick the lefty-righty mini. Why is that a benefit? Well, guess what? It is reading both ways, and it does have everything implemented with 1 1/8 increments that listed in writing, so you know, but it also has the 1/16 increments listed as well. So you can see this little mini 6-footer. It's a handy dandy little item to have along with in your pocket. This also has a little magnet right there. So if you've got some metal, it'll stick right to it. Well, yeah, you get the idea. So there's a little magnet in there for the little mini with the lefty righty. It does have a little push down lock, so if you need it to stay, it'll stay. So if you're looking for a cool little gadget tape measure to keep in your pocket or in your vehicle, this is a good little tool to do that. So moving right along. So we talked about most all of the tape measures that Fastcap offers. They are all going to have a built-in pencil sharpener right there on the side. So if you're in the field and you're looking for something, well, that'll sharpen it for you if you don't have your knife with you. And we're going to start on this end and work our way down. Now, these are a variety of different options that are available. And this is the combo. It is both a metric and a standard. Let me see here what my options might be. Might turn this like this. You might be able to see that better. There you go. So this is going to read out in both standard increment as well as metric increment. So if you have to use both, this is the ideal tape measure that's going to give you that. And this is 16 feet. It does have an auto lock to release it. So it auto stays where you want it. You press this button to pull it back on in. And so this is a good little unit here if you're looking for that combo. Moving on down the line, we have another little bit bigger version of that. And this is also a wrong tape measure. There we go. This is also a combination. So you have your standard as well as your metric. So in a lot of cases where you need both, these two will certainly get it done. Moving on down the line, let's see if I can zoom in just a little more. There we go. Moving on down the line, this is what they call their lefty-righty. The benefit of this is it reads both ways, kind of like the little mini we just looked at. The difference is, and I will zoom in a little more. Hopefully that shows up. This is also written in those standard increments of 1/8 inch, written out 1/8 quarter, 3/8 and a half, but you do have your 1/16 list there. So that's a pretty good little setup if you're looking for something to be able to read both ways, because that is a frustrating thing when you pull your tape measure out to read and you have to read upside down. This eliminates the confusion and gets you right every time. Then you have the story pole. Whoop, one more up. Then you have the story stick. What this is you have your standard measurement at top, and if you needed to make marks on something down below to take back to your saw or to wherever you're back into your shop where your wood and material is going to be, you can actually make your mark here and write it down here and then go back and you've got that information. Write that with a pencil. It's easily erased, and then you're right back to business when you get done. So that is the story pole. This is just your standard old standby tape measure. It is curved. You can see all of these so far have been curved. They do offer some of those in a flat, which is helpful if you're having to measure around things. But this is the old standby, the traditional, that just measures one direction, but it does give your increments down below. And so if you just need the old regular tape measure, this might be the one you want. This is the metric version of that, and it is a reverse of both metrics. So it would, just like we had the reverse of, oh, there we go, we're rolling away. This is reverse only in the metric. Wow, things are just falling apart. So this has your metric running both ways. So it's a righty lefty, and it's a metric version of the righty lefty. So if you need that, well, they've got you covered. And all of the Fastcaps, let me turn this around this way. They've all got this end here that is a unique surface. You can write on here with a pencil. So let's say you take your measurement, you write it down. You can go back to the shop and then you can erase that. So it's almost like a dry erase with pencil on the end, on the edge of every one of these tape measures from Fastcap. So it's versatile. It's not just here to take measurements, but it's here to really make your life easier and more streamlined. Because if you're like me, you run out of pieces of wood or cardboard or even your hand to write down those measurements on. The tape measures, Fastcap is a good option for you. And if you don't believe me, here's just a few of the options they have right here on this end cap. Well, this is Chris with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop. We're talking Fastcap measuring today, and I guess we'll see you next time. See you later.
Today's presentation of Coffee and Grit is brought to you by Woodworker Joe Whole Bean Coffee, a perfect blend of light, medium, and dark roast, roasted and packaged right here in North Carolina, exclusively at woodworkingshop.com.
If there's a product you'd like featured on Coffee and Grit, let us know at 800-228-0000 or email us at tech@woodworkingshop.com.